Okay, we'll start. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to NEET World. So in this session we are going to see JEE Mains PYQs of Physics. So in last session we have seen some of questions in PYQs and we'll continue with the next part of the question in this session. And the first question of the session is like in a Young's modulus, Young's double slit experiment, the width of the one of the slit is 3 times the other slit. Okay, what they told, there is a Young's double slit experiment and there is two width, one width is 3 times the other width. Okay, so width of the slit is 3 times the other slit. Okay, the amplitude of light coming from the slit is proportional to slit width. Okay, find the ratio of the maximum and minimum intensity if in the interference pattern. Okay, let me draw the diagram first. So there is a width, okay, in Young's double slit experiment. So let me consider this is W1 and this is W2. What they told, suppose if I consider W1 as X, what will be W2? W2 will be 3x, no? 3x, 3 times the x. That's what they mentioned here, right? No, that's what they mentioned. So the width of the one of the slit is 3 times the other slit, right? So and the second part is amplitude of the light coming from the slit is proportional to slit width. Okay, so A is directly proportional to W. Okay, two amplitudes to slit width. Okay, and maximum minimum intensity I need to find the ratios between. So I max will be equals to A1 plus A2 power 2. I minimum will be equals to A1 minus A2 the whole square. Okay, so if I find what is A1 and A2, can I substitute the values here? No? Yes. So A1 by A2 will be equals to W1 by W2. Right. So what is A1? I mean W1 and W2, x and 3x. Okay, this is 1 and this will be 3. So 1 by 3. So A1 will be 1, A2 will be, yes, 3 times of A1, right? No. So if I take I max by I minimum, this is the ratios I need to find, no? So the ratios will be A1 plus 3A1, right, power 2 by A1 minus 3A1 power 2. So A1 plus 3A1 will be 4A1, 4A1 whole square is 16A1 square. Okay, 16, this is I max to I minimum, no ratio, I max by I minimum. So 16A1 square by, what about A1 minus 3A1? It is minus 2A1, power 2 is, yes, it is 4A1 square. A1 square will get cancelled and this is 1 time and this is 4 times. So answer is 4:1. So option 1 is the answer. Right, no? Option 1 is the answer. Can we go for the next question? Yes, we'll go for the next question. So the next question is, each side of a box made of a metal sheet in a cubic shape is A, okay, at a room temperature T. The coefficient of linear expansion of the metal sheet is alpha. The metal sheet is heated uniformly by a small temperature delta T. So that its new temperature is T plus delta T, calculate the increase in volume of the metal box. So what will be the volume now? Volume will be A cube, right? I will write A cube, okay? A cube I will take, okay? Wait a minute, I will take a pen. Yes. So volume will be A cube, leave now, and the formula will be like delta V by V is equals to gamma into delta T. This is the thing, no? And what is the thing they have asked? Calculate the increase in volume of the metal box, right? No? So delta V will be equals to V into gamma delta T. So when I find the coefficient of linear expansion and coefficient of volume expansion, no, the relation is gamma is equals to 3 alpha, okay? I will substitute the value, and V is equals to A cube. So A cube into 3 alpha into delta T, right? No? So the final answer will be 3A cube alpha delta T. So which of the correct option? So 3A cube alpha delta T, option 3. Option 3 is the answer. Right now, we will go for the next question. Yes. So the next question is, a ball with a speed of 9 meter per second collides with another identical ball at rest. After the collision, the direction of each ball makes an angle 30 degree with the original direction. The ratio of velocity of the ball after collision is x is to y, where x is, okay, they are asking what is the value of x, no? Okay, so let me take a pen now. Here the diagram will be looking like this, no? A ball is going with 9 meter per second and collides with another identical ball at rest. So this velocity is 0, okay, same identical ball, no? And after colliding, no, it makes an angle 30 degree, okay. So this is the original direction, so it makes an angle 30 degree and it is going. One ball is going in this direction and another ball is going in this direction. This is 30 and this is also 30, right. So initially the momentum will be 0. After that I need to find what is the final momentum. So P initial will be equals to 0, right. P initial will be equals to 0 and P final I need to find. So momentum is conserved. Momentum is conserved. This is the thing. So P initial will be equals to P final. Can you give the answer for this question now? It's easy, no? Only final momentum I need to find. Yes, no? Yeah. So final momentum will be equals to same identical ball, but when I take for ball 1, no, velocity v1, ball 2 velocity v2. So v1 and into 1 by 2 minus m into v2 into 1 by 2. So if I take the equation P initial equals to P final, like momentum of initial and momentum final will be equals to, is equal, because momentum is conserved, no. So 0 is equals to mv1 by 2 minus mv2 by 2. So mv1 by 2 should be equals to mv2 by 2. So 2 will get cancelled, will get cancelled. So v1 is equals to v2. This is the thing we are getting. So initially the speed is 9, They have said no, yes. So x is to y, they are asking. So x will be 9, that's it. We'll go for the next question. Okay. So the next question is, the coefficient of static friction between the wooden block of mass 0.5 kg and the vertical rough wall is 0.2. The magnitude of horizontal force that should be applied on a block to keep it in adhere to the wall will be. Okay. So what they are saying is, they have taken a wooden block and they kept in the wall, okay, and a force is applied which is in horizontal direction. So it should be in the wall, they have said, like it should maintain, it should not go, right. So what is the force they are asking? Suppose this, if I take, this is the diagram, no, this is the diagram and this is the force applied, no, external force applied. So magnitude of horizontal force that should be applied on the block to keep it adhere to the wall will be. So they are asking this force, okay. So the coefficient of friction is 0.2. What is the mass they have given? 0.5. So what are the force acting now? In this, if I see the force, one is normal force, no. So normal force will be in this direction, n, right, no, and this is my weight, that is mg, and in this direction the frictional force will be there, right, no. So n will be equals to F and mg will be equals to small f, that is frictional force. Now what is the formula for the frictional force? F is equals to mu into n, where F is mg and mu I can write as it is, n is nothing but F. So in this mg I can find, mu they have given and I need to find F. So what is m? 0.5 and g is 10. Divide by what is mu? It is 0.2. 0.2 is equals to F, right, no. So this I can write F is equals to 5 into 10 by 2, which is 1s and this is 5s. Answer is 25 Newton. 25 Newton. Okay, we'll go for the next question. So audio signal is given, an amplitude modulates a carries and it is given like Vm and Vc given, the value of percentage modulation, right, no. Okay, so modulation formula is Am by Ac, no, Am by Ac. So what is Am here? Am is 20, AC is 80. So modulation, which is nothing but Am by AC, where it is 20 by 80, and they are asking the percentage, no, percentage of modulation, which is nothing but 20 by 80 into 100. So 10 10 cancelled once and this is 4 times. So this will be 25. So answer is 25%. This is the answer for the given question. The value of percentage modulation is. Right now, can we go for the next question? I guess the question is visible now, right now? Yes. Okay, the next question is, yeah, the resonance circuit having inductance and resistance respectively. Okay, oscillates at 10 megahertz frequency. The value of quality factor of this resonator is, so here I need to find the value of quality factor. Quality factor formula, it is Q is equals to X by R, no, X by R. I will take a pen. I need to find the quality factor here. So Q is equals to X by R. Now I will write the given things. Inductance is given, L is equals to 2 into 10 power minus 4, and resistance is given, R is equals to 6.28. So this can be written as omega L by R, no, where omega is nothing but 2 pi f, and frequency is given, f is equals to 10 megahertz. Okay, now substitute the values, that's it. So what is omega? It is 2 pi f L by R, that's it. So answer will be 2 pi into f is 10 into L is given 2 into 10 power minus 4 into 10 power 6, no, divide by R is 6.28, and you will get the answer for this question, that's it. Only the calculation I need to do. So 2 pi, can I take like pi as 3.14, so that I can cancel it out? This is 1 times and this is 2 times, and 2 and 2 will get cancelled, that's it. Now only thing is I need to calculate this one. So 10 power 6 and 10 power 1, 10 power 7 and 10 power minus 4. So 10 power minus 3 into 2. So 2 into 10 power minus 3 is the answer, that's it. This is the answer for the quality factor. It's minus 3? Yeah, it is 3, right? Sorry. So 10 power 6 and 10 power 1, 10 power 7 minus 4, no? So 2 into 10 power 3 is nothing but 2000, that's it. Okay. So with this we'll end this session, and we'll bring some more question in the next class. So until then, bye bye guys, we'll meet in the next class.